Hello, good morning. I am Seema Garg, Associate Professor in Chemistry, SPC Government College, Ajmer. Welcome to second lecture of reactive intermediates. Today, first we will see the remaining part of carbocations, that is the reactions of carbocations, and then we will discuss the new reactive intermediate carbon anion. Reactions of carbonium ion or carbocations. Carbonium ion or carbocations are positively charged, diamagnetic in nature, trivalent, electron deficient, and behave as electrophiles. So, carbocations give following types of reactions. Carbocation, when combined with nucleophile, it will give you this type of product. For example, any alkyl carbonium ion, when react with hydroxy anion or nucleophile, it will give you corresponding alcohol. When proton is eliminated from adjacent carbon of alkane, it will form alkene. Less stable primary carbonium ion, it can rearrange to more stable tertiary carbonium ion. Addition with alkenes. Lower homolog series of carbonium ion, when it reacts with alkenes, it will give you higher homolog series of carbocation. Generally, carbocation formation is observed in following types of reactions: nucleophilic substitution reaction of halides, that is SN1 reaction, electrophilic addition reaction of alkene or alkyne, electrophilic substitution reaction of benzene, elimination of halide, acid catalyzed dehydration of alcohol. So this is all about carbocations. Our next reactive intermediate is carbon anions. Carbon anions is just opposite to carbocations. Carbocation is electrophile, whereas carbon anions are nucleophile. See the structure of carbon anions. It is sp3 hybridized. It is pyramidal. Bond angle is 109 degree, and through transition state, it will give the inversion of carbon. So, carbon anions are trivalent, 8 electrons in valence shell, 6 electrons are bonded, and 2 are non-bonded electrons. sp3 hybridization, pyramidal in shape, obtained by electrolytic fluids. Types of carbon anions. Like carbocations, carbon anions are also of 3 types: primary, secondary, and tertiary. Carbon anions. See the examples of primary carbon anions, secondary carbon anions, and tertiary carbon anions. Formation of carbon anions. When a group or atom departs from a carbon atom without its bonding pairs or electrolysis, forms carbon anions. See in this alkanes, proton is departing from alkanes without taking its bonding electrons. So, carbon anion formation is occurred. Similarly, in acetate, carbon dioxide is departing without its bonding electrons, and it will form carbon anion. Addition of anion to double or triple bond. When nucleophiles are reacting with alkenes or alkynes, it will also form carbon ions, corresponding carbon ions. Abstraction of a proton by a strong base also forms carbon anion. See in this aldehyde, alkyl group's proton is abstracting by hydroxy group and it forms carbon anion. Similarly, in triphenyl methane reaction with sodamide, it will form carbon. Stability. Stability of carbon anions is just opposite to that of carbon cations. This we can explain on the basis of inductive and resonance effect. Methyl carbon anions are more stable compared to primary, secondary, and then tertiary. This is because of effect of substituent. When carbon anion is attached with electron donating group or plus I effect group, then negative charge also increases. Stability decreases, reactivity increases. Whereas when carbon anion is attached with electron withdrawing group, means minus I group, for example, Cl, nitro, CN, aldehyde and acid, then its negative charge on carbon anion increases, stability also increases, but its reactivity decreases. Effect of hybridization. The relative stability of the carbon anion derived from alkynes, alkenes and alkanes can be explained on the basis of the type of hybridization of the carbon carrying the negative charge. See here in alkynes, it is sp hybridized carbon, it having 50% S character, so stability increases. Since the electrons are closer to the nucleus, lower energy, whereas in alkenes it is sp2 hybridized, S character is 33%, so it is less stable compared to alkynes, whereas alkanes it having sp3 hybridized 25% S character, it is less stable compared to alkane, alkene and alkyne. Resonance effect. Resonance also enhances the stability of carbon anion. See some examples of resonance in the molecule. This is the benzylic carbon anion. It is more stable. Relative stability order of carbon anions can be observed in this following series: triphenyl, benzyl, allyl, alkyne, alkane, and primary, secondary, and tertiary. Next, reactions of carbon anions. Carbon anions, because they are electron-rich nucleophiles, so they can easily combine with electrophiles and form the stable compound. Displacement reaction. In displacement reaction, it can displace the group and form the stable compound. For example, any alkyl carbon anion, when react with alkyl halide, it will give you corresponding alkane by displacing halides. Addition to double or triple bond. When carbon anion add to alkene, it will give you the corresponding higher analog of carbon anion. attack on carbonyl group. When carbon anion attacks to the carbonyl group carbon, then it will give you ozonium ion. Carbon anion formation we can observe in the following types of reaction: reduction of halides by zinc HCl, decarboxylation of acids, nucleophilic addition reaction of alkyne, aldol condensation. So this is all about carbon ions. Thanks for listening. In next lecture, we will see the next reactive intermediate, that is the free radical.